viewers, in today's video, we are going to explore Avast VPN. If you search on Google, you will arrive at a homepage like this. Right away, you can see their pricing plans. You can use this VPN for up to 10 devices. If you choose a 1-year plan, it will cost you $5 per month. If you go for a 2-year plan, the price drops by $1 to $4 per month, and the 3-year plan remains at that same price. Now, over here, you can see a 60-day free trial right here. As you can see, there is a 60-day free trial available. So, just like the previous VPN I showed you, you can access this VPN for free for 60 days. This is a very significant feature. We previously tried the AVG VPN, and to me, this one feels almost identical to that one. So let's first download our desired application. At the top here, you can see the download button, and right next to it is the 60-day free trial offer. Since we have already created an account, we won't go for the trial. We'll just click download. As you can see, our application has been downloaded, and I am now proceeding to install it. To install, you can see that with just a few clicks, the process begins. I'm clicking Install here. This is an online installation. It has started downloading the necessary files and will complete the installation while staying online. Now, as you can see, our application is installed. I actually paused the video during the installation to save some time. The interface here looks very familiar. You have options like Smart Mode or Connect manually each time. I'll select Manual. For Personalized VPN, okay, I'll click Continue. And now it says All Set. It has started. If you remember the interface of the previous VPN we looked at, this is almost exactly the same. Next, I'll log in. To do that, I'm clicking Sign In. This will redirect us to the browser, and we have to complete the sign-in through the browser. Okay, click Open. Now go to the Avast account. We are syncing the application with the Avast account. Now, if I open the Avast account and click Continue, you can see it has automatically synced with my email address. It shows the product key here and specifies the expiration, 9 days left on this 10-day account. It also shows that I can use it on 10 devices. Everything is clearly displayed. Okay, as we saw with the previous VPN, this is nearly identical. I'll turn it off and on again. We previously reviewed AVG VPN, and this feels exactly like that AVG VPN to me. So their control panel and user panel are the same. My subscriptions, payment center, family sharing, order history, account settings, everything is identical. I don't see any unique manual configuration options here, like specific configuration files for OpenVPN or WireGuard for router setup. Similarly, we see these 3 options here. It feels like I'm testing the same VPN all over again. The experience is the same, it just feels like a different company name. Let me know in the comments if you agree with my observation. Now here you can see the activation code. You can use this code to connect your other devices. You can also download it from here under Download Multi-Device. Whether you want it for Windows PC or another device, you can see options for Mac, iPad, or Android. You can download those directly or find them on the Play Store or App Store. I'll close this now. For Mac users, you can download the Mac version. Here, I'm closing it.
So here we are in our application. If we go to the menu, it is currently connected. And here, the Enter Activation Code section is exactly like what we saw before. If we go in here, the interface, the attitude, everything is exactly the same as what we've already seen. So I won't go over everything all over again. I want to keep this video a bit short. When we look at the settings, the options are identical. There is absolutely no difference. It's just like what we saw in Avast. And then again with AVG, it's the same here. Here we have Smart Mode and Always On. Several modes are available here, as you can see, for torrenting, accessing sensitive content, shopping and banking. These are all listed separately. And for the protocols, we have the same 3 options as before, and automatic is recommended. To me, it feels like the exact same product, just with a different name. Okay, if you want to add a device, go to Activate New Device. A PIN will appear on the device you are pairing. Simply enter that PIN here to connect. Now let's run a speed test. I can see the same location options here as well. Let's select the fastest location. It has connected us to Laos, and you can see this green gradient flowing from the top to the bottom. Now let's check Hua. We'll go to hua.net. It initially loaded hua.com, which also looks good, but the hua.net website provides much clearer information. From here, we can see it's a Laos-based IP, and the host name is listed as Avast. Okay, let's run a speed test and see the results. We've seen the IP condition, and it looks very good to me. Let's see, it's pairing with an ISP named Global Secure Layer via 3BB. We are seeing a very impressive ping here. The bandwidth is also quite good, climbing above 200 to 250 Mbps. This kind of bandwidth is definitely something to appreciate. We're getting very solid performance here. Okay, so we saw that the download speed was superb and the upload speed is just incredible. It's almost reached 500 Mbps. It goes without saying that the upload speed is excellent. However, as I mentioned, I don't see much of a difference between this and the AVG connection I showed you earlier. Now I've connected to Melbourne, Australia. Let's see what kind of feedback we get there. Just like before, let's check the IP first to see its condition and verify if it's showing the correct country. We see the name DataCamp. I've noticed that most VPNs use this ISP, or hosting. They tend to use this hosting IP. The anonymity level is 90%, which is very good, and it's correctly showing Melbourne, Australia. So let's see what the speed is like for Melbourne. I'll hit go for the speed test. Now we wait. The ping is also very good at 149 milliseconds. This is a commendable ping. At this level, you can comfortably play games, record voice or video, or handle any other tasks. And the speed is incredible. It's gone over 350 Mbps. I'd say the speed is very nice. We're getting an excellent download speed of 366 Mbps. The upload speed is also rising beautifully, crossing the 450 mark. I have to say, this is a fantastic speed. It's truly excellent. The upload speed is incomparable. Now let's take a look at another country.
Let's explore further. Now we are switching to optimal transfer. Let's try the United States. They claim these optimal servers are quite good, so let's see what the IP and speed are like for this optimal location. We are examining the optimal IP address. We'll check the speed shortly as well. As you can see, the anonymity level is at 90%. The ISP is GTT Communications. The same GTT was used in most cases for the US. It shows San Jose, United States, and the IP is visible right here. Now let's run a speed test to see the performance of this US IP. I've clicked go, and we are waiting for the results. The ping is being calculated. It is coming in at 279 milliseconds, which is a bit high. For P2P activities, this ping might be a bit too much. The download speed is starting to climb. It was struggling initially, but it's looking better now. It has reached a pretty solid download speed. Now let's check the upload speed. It is gradually increasing to a decent level. This upload speed is quite manageable and should be sufficient for any kind of video calls, conferences, or meetings. Now let's test another country. After the United States, let's check the speed for the Netherlands. We are now connected. Let's verify the IP quality and speed. We see DataCamp here, an ISP we've encountered before with other VPNs. They usually provide good speed. The anonymity level is 90%, which is great, and the IP matches Amsterdam, Netherlands. Now let's run a speed test for this one. Since we've connected to an optimal server, I'm expecting high performance. The ping is 179 milliseconds. The speed is quickly surpassing 100 megabits per second. It's looking very good, nearing 200, and now it's past 250 megabits. This is incredible! Over 300 megabits per second. This is truly impressive. With speeds like this, any VPN deserves a 5-star rating. I have no hesitation in giving it 5 stars. However, there is one drawback. We don't have access to proxies or SOXs. If those were available for manual configuration, it would allow for even better solutions in certain cases. All right, let's check a few more countries from here. We'll start by checking the speed for India. Our video is already getting a bit long, so we'll try to test just 2 more countries and then give you a conclusion. After watching the video, feel free to share your thoughts and experience in the comments section. Since you are getting a 60-day trial for this, I would say definitely do not miss out. Take full advantage of these 60 days to see what this VPN actually offers. Whether you should eventually pay for it or not is a major question. That is why I suggest you use it for free for 60 days first. After using it, share your feedback in the comments below this video. We hope you can learn something valuable from our content. We will continue to bring you more information like this, so please subscribe to our channel so we can provide you with such useful information and free tips in the future. Now, let's connect to another country. We'll choose Qatar and see what the conditions are like there, what kind of speed we get, and how the IP looks. As we can see, the Qatar IP is showing under a network called GSL Networks, providing connectivity in Doha, Qatar. The anonymity level also looks very good. Now, let's check the speed for Qatar. This is the first time we are testing Qatar. We haven't really tested it in our other videos. Let's see what the speed looks like. It's taking quite a bit of time to connect, and the ping is very high. The speed is struggling to climb, but it's still managing to move up, hitting 50, 60, 70, 80, and reaching nearly 100 Mbps. I'd say that's fairly good. It's peering with an ISP in Bahrain, although I suspect GSL Networks here might be a virtual IP. We are getting an upload speed of over 200 Mbps, which is a good sign. We got around 100 Mbps for download and about 250 Mbps for upload. It's not bad at all. Let's switch from Qatar and move further down the list. Let's try connecting to the United Kingdom. There are many cities available within the UK, but we'll go with a generic one at the top. It seems to be struggling to connect to the UK. It's stuck on connecting, so let's disconnect and try again to see if it works. It's taking some time, so there might be a bit of lag here. Okay, now it's connected. Let's check the IP on hua.net. It shows City of London, United Kingdom. It is hosted on an Amazon IP, which is a data center IP on a virtual system. The anonymity level is at 90%. Now, let's see the speed test results for this Amazon IP. Sometimes Amazon IPs provide very good speeds, and sometimes they don't. As we can see here, it is struggling to pick up speed. This happens sometimes with Amazon IPs in certain countries. Even though the average ping is decent, the speed isn't great. Let's see what the upload speed looks like. I've noticed that Amazon's upload speeds are usually quite good, even when the download speed is low. It's reaching around 170 to 180 Mbps. So, today I've tried to give you a basic idea of the speed, support, and services you can expect from this Avast VPN. Once again, you can get a 2-month free trial, so don't miss it. Use the free trial to check it out for yourself, see how it performs, and then let us know your thoughts in the comments. We are looking forward to your feedback.